Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design Spain. As you see, we are here in Spain, yes, and I have here with me a lovely, nice lady from Ireland, Helen, yes, and she's first time here in Spain, and she had a little bit problem with her hair. And Helen, tell us, what do you want us to do for you?
I want you to give me some body in my hair because it's very flat and dead, lifeless. So it would be great if I could get a nice colour and a bit of body as well in the hair.
So you want us to put you a nice body perm in the hair, yes?
Yes.
As you see, she have a very, very flat hair. What we want to do is to put her nice body in perm. That perm will give her nice volume. The problem is she have very, very flat and very fine. Every time when she try to put rollers in the hair, after 1-2 hours, she lose the volume because there is no movement in the hair. So we're gonna try to put her a nice body perm in her hair. So we will show you how we do that, and we will see you later. So in this moment we say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So as you see, I'm here with Helen, Helen from Ireland. Yes, we had just finished the machine from the Perm, so we are ready here to wash her hair. So try to put the water not too hot. I'm not sure you how to do that. Yes, to do the wash of the Perm, so you need to try to take one by one. So I'm washing the first roller, and then I'm going to the second, third, and then go back. So you go like from this side to another side, you see? So wash it one by one, one by one. So I need to go like this almost at once, and second, and third, and going here. So this way we wash all the hair down, 5 minutes continue doing that. Yes, I'll see you later with Helen from Ireland. Yes, as you see, I made ready the fixating. This is what we're gonna put in her hair now. Yes, we put first the product in the hair, the Perm product, and then we washed it now like 5 minutes. We took all the product of Perm from her hair. Now we're gonna put the fixating in the hair. So we're gonna go one by one. It's the same, like just one by one. We will put in the hair. Just make sure you take everything. So you can tell your customer just a little bit to the front, please. So you put everywhere. This is the way you put the body in Perm. And this one we're gonna leave it just 5 minutes, and then we will take the curls, the rollers, and we leave it 2 minutes, and then she is finished. This is the way we do it. So now we are waiting. We need to wait 5 minutes, and then we will take the rollers from the hair, and then we put a little bit more product inside for 2 minutes, and then she'll be ready. See you later. So as you see, the 5 minutes finish. I'm taking all this roller. I want to show you how to take the rollers. So first you open it, and then you go very, very slowly and down. See? So you take the roller and very, very slowly and push it back. Because of the body Perm, we want to leave it in. See, push it back. So take the roller and very, very slowly and push back. Finished. You see, and now I have here made a little bit product, and this one we're gonna put it the fixating back in the hair. And I want to show you something very, very important. When you put the product, push the curler back. So I'm trying to push all my curler back. You see, this is all the. See, this is the fixating product. This one we leave it just 2 minutes, and then we'll be ready. See you later, Helen, and then we will show you the results. So we are back here with Helen. As you see, this is the result. This is the result of her hair. You see, I'm gonna show you how to control the Perm. Yes, we comb the hair like that, and we push it back. If you push the hair back and you see movement, it means your Perm is perfect. So comb the hair and push it back. See, when you push it back and you see this kind of movement, that it means the Perm is perfect done. You see that? And as you see here, we have little bit soft Perm as we did it. So we wanted to have soft Perm here, a little bit strong here in the front. You see, and if I do the camera like that, you can see something, and that's very beautiful. The movement here, you see, and the hair goes more than 1 centimeter is high, and that's very beautiful, showing the Perm is perfect. Me, Helen, what do you think? Do you ask for? Do you like it, Perm?
I do very much.
Okay.
It's very, very good.
Thank you very much. So Helen is very happy with her Perm. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna cut only the little bit point, just the dead end of the hair, and we will blow dry it. We will come back with you. See you. Bye bye. So we are here back with Helen from Ireland. As you see, this is her finishing touch. Little bit very nice, a beautiful body Perm in the hair. I'm gonna turn a little bit so you can see her hair. Beautiful, nice, lovely, and very, very easy to wear. Very nice. Yeah, little bit turn it. Yes, so you can see the volume. This is a lovely, nice movement and very nice volume. Yes, and so very nice, easy to style for our home also. And we put just a little bit very soft makeup for the video. So here is Helen from Ireland. She visited us for first time, and she was our model for today. So we thank her very much. And so we want to ask Helen, do you like your hair?
Yes, very much so.
You like the perm and the makeup, everything? Yes?
Yes.
Thank you very much, Helen. Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
No, I just want to say thank you to everybody here that you were so nice to me.
Oh, thank you
Yeah.
very much. Thank you very much, Helen from Ireland. She visited us from Ireland. Thank you very much. And we wish you a very nice time.
Thank you very much.
This is Vivian Hair Design from Spain. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.